Hello students, in this session I am going to explain about the properties of light. Under this title I am going to explain about interference of light, refractive index as well as total internal reflection. What is interference of light? In physics, interference is a phenomenon in which two waves superimpose to form a resultant wave of greater, lower or the same amplitude. That means amplitude is the effect which can be applicable to all types of the waves like light waves, radio waves, acoustics, gravity wave, surface water waves, or we can say matter waves. There are certain examples of interference of light. First, light reflected from a film of oil floating on the water. Second one, thin film of a soap bubble which reflects a spectrum. It is in the form of the rainbow of a beautiful colors. These are the examples of the interference. There are two types of the interference, constructive as well as destructive interference. Constructive interference occur whenever waves come together so that they are in phase with each other. The meaning of phase is that the angular position of that waves with respect to some reference point, and we are taking x-axis as a reference point. This means that their oscillations at a given point are in the same direction and the resulting amplitude at that point pointing much larger than the amplitude of that individual waves. Look at this animation. We can say that interference of light of two or more waves superimpose at a point with the same frequency, and that light emit from the coherent source. The meaning of coherent source is that the light with the same frequency, and the resultant amplitude of that wave which are meeting at a point is the vectored sum of the individual amplitude of that waves. Now look at this animation in a constructive interference. Two waves with same amplitude meeting at a point. Look carefully here, the amplitude changes. First in starting it is a 0, then 1, 0.5, then 1, then up to -1. When the effect of two waves meeting at a point, the resultant amplitude will be different. That is the constructive interference. Now look, when meeting at a point, the resultant amplitude is now 1 plus 1, now 2, then it is 1, then it is a 0, then it is -2, like this. So constructive interference, it is the types of the interference when two or more waves meeting at a point. At that point amplitude is bigger than the amplitude of the individual waves. Next, what is destructive interference? Destructive interference occur when waves come together in which a way that they completely cancel each other out. So amplitude of both the wave meeting at a point which cancel the amplitude. When two waves interference destructively, they must have the same amplitude in the opposite directions. Look at this animation again. Two waves with different amplitude meeting at a point. The resultant amplitude is shown in this animation, which indicate that the resultant amplitude is smaller than the amplitude of the individual waves, and this is the characteristics of the destructive interference. Look at here, the final amplitude is 0. Next, what is the refractive index? The refractive index of any medium gives the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in that medium. It is denoted by symbol small n, which is equal to c by v, where c is the velocity of light. It is a standard value, it is 3 into 10 raised to power of 8 meter per second. and v be the velocity of that medium. Next, what is a total internal reflection? In physics, complete reflection of a ray of light within a medium such as water or glass from the surrounding surfaces back into the medium. This phenomena occurs if the angle of incident is greater than a certain values. That certain value or certain angle, it is known as a critical angle. Now question is that what is a critical angle? The critical angle is the angle of incident when the refraction angle must be 90 degree. Such incident angle is known as critical angle. The light moves from a more denser medium to a less denser medium. TIR and total internal reflection will take place, and the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. This is the two condition for the TIR and total internal reflection. Look at this figure. In first part, theta is less than theta c. Theta c it indicates the critical angle, where theta is the angle of incidence. Second one with shown with a red color. Look here, theta is equal to theta c. It means incident angle which is equal to the critical angle. At that time, refraction angle is 90 degree. This refraction angle is 90 degree. And in third figure, you look here, the theta is very much greater than theta c, and angle of incident is greater than critical angle. During this condition, TIR will take place, total internal reflection will take place. Look at this figure. It is the light waves going from denser to rarer medium, liquid to air, water to air. Here theta 1, if it is a 90 degree, that means if the refraction angle is 90 degree, such angle is known as critical angle. We can say it is a reflection as well as refraction will take place. But in second figure, that is a TIR, total internal reflection. Here this angle is known as angle of refraction. This angle, it is greater than angle of incidence. This angle is angle of incidence. So light wave refract from water in the same medium, bounce back in the same medium. Such phenomenon is known as TIR, total internal reflection. Look at the few examples of the total internal reflection. First one, it is diamond. We know that diamond which make it shine, which is the incident ray falls on every face of the diamond, such that the angle formed ray, it is greater than the critical angle. Then and then TIR will take place. Second one example is mirage. That is the example of the atmospheric refraction. Optical illusion also we can say that. And last one, it is the optical fiber. When the incident ray falls on the cladding, it suffers a total internal reflection. And this application is widely used in endoscopy of sol also. That is the application in the optical fiber. So this is about the applications, or we can say it's examples of the total internal reflection.